Hi everybody, here we are, always into something. Just wanted to share something with you. I thought you guys might find valuable. I certainly did. A couple years ago we redid our kitchen, and I really like it. Spent a lot of money on it. Good investment. But underneath our cabinets, on our new cabinets, you can see where I had a glass cleaner that when we would use it, it would keep leaking, and it has, I'll say ruined, but it is stained underneath our kitchen sink. And I started looking around. I didn't want that to happen anymore, and came across this mat on Amazon, and it's I think this is a siliconized mat. Comes in a lot of different sizes, a lot of different shapes, colors, and I've already cleaned the base of this real well, but it just flips in there, and I wish I would have done this when my kitchen was new. And if you've got a nice cabinets, or you've recently remodeled, or you got a new home, this was under $30, and man, I wish I would have had that. So to take it a step further, not only would I not have those stains, but I just put this in a week ago, and this week just so happened I'm getting ready to replace that disposal, but it has been leaking, and this mat had a small layer of water. You can see how it's dammed on the sides, and it kept all of that water on that mat. It would have trashed the bottom of my cabinet. So please, good gift for somebody. Get this for yourself. I know they sell them for bath sinks and stuff as well, but there's just so much going on in your kitchen with detergents and things you put underneath there and storage. And then there's obviously a lot of plumbing, so the chances of leaking is higher on a kitchen sink than other sinks. So just think about this. I wish I would have gotten this 2 years ago when we did the kitchen. But nevertheless, live and learn. Take my advice. Get this thing for $25, $30. Protect your investment. Not only will you offset stains, but if you get a leak, it'll keep that water in there and kind of give you at least a little bit of a warning sign before you realize your cabinet base is ruined. So just want to share that with everybody. Look back for other videos. If you want to see how to install a disposal, that'll be my next video. Always into something, and share this with people, and tell them to do the same thing. Protect their cabinets. Thanks.